Okay, so I did my base off camera, so I'm not gonna go through that because it's the same base I do all the time. So for this eye look, you'll just need any palette with a black and different shades of brown. So I put this Too Faced concealer in the shade Latte on my eyelids to prime. The first thing you want to do is you want to take a transition shade, which is basically like a shade that's close to your skin tone. So I'm gonna just use my Sephora powder and I'm just gonna take it and put it all over my lid. And it's okay if your transition shade is a little bit lighter or a little bit darker, because you're gonna go in with a darker brown after this. I'm gonna take this shade called Pukey, and this is the slightly darker brown. And I'm gonna put this all over my lid, and then I'm gonna blend it up in my crease just a little bit. Then I'm gonna take this beige shade, so whichever shade is kind of lighter than your skin tone, use that brown. And I'm gonna put it on that inner corner. And if you have really pale skin, then you can use like a white color too. It just depends on what your skin complexion is. So now you can see I kind of have a brighter kind of beige white shade in the inner corner right here. Well, now we're gonna do the liner part. So I'm gonna take the shade Soda Pop right here, and you want to take it on like one of these little liner brushes. This one is from e.l.f. Start by basically drawing like a wing liner with the eyeshadow. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna blend it out anyway. And then you're gonna make another connecting line that's straight. And then you're just gonna fill it in and bring it to the middle of your lid. Alright, then I'm gonna take this black shade right here. You can take any black eyeshadow shade. You're only going to take a little bit because you don't want it to be too dark. And you're just going to go on like the outer part of the wing. And then you're going to take a little bit more of the black shade and you're going to put it right on the bottom part of your eyelid, if that makes sense. So I'm going to just take a baby wipe, or if you have like micellar water, you can use that too. And I'm just going to clean the line up. So I'm gonna take the Morphe M562 brush. And it's like this really little brush. I'm gonna take the shade Mocha right here. And I'm gonna take that brown and I'm gonna blend it out with this brush. And if you need to go back in with the dark brown that you put down, then you can do that too. So once you do that, the eyeliner might be more brown than black. So you can always go back in with the black shade on the eyeliner brush and just add more back in. Then you want to go back in with whatever that transition shade you first used was. And you want to go back over the brown you used. And then I'm also going to go back in with that beige shade that I used. Okay, now we're going to add the fun part, which is the glitter. So you're going to need any type of glitter or shimmer eyeshadow that's like a silver color. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm in the shade How Many Carats. I'm just going to take it on my finger. When it comes to like shimmer eyeshadows, it's better to use your finger because you get more payoff. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to put that on my inner corner where I put the lightest beige shade. And I'm going to take that black and I'm going to put it in my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to bring it to my lower lid. And I'm going to blend it out just a little bit. I'm going to take this shade that I used to bronze and I'm going to smoke out that black that I put on my lower line. Then I'm going to take my Essence Lash Princess Mascara and I'm going to put that on my lower lashes. And this is the eye. So now I'm going to do the other eye off camera and then I'm going to come back and do my lip combo. I'm just going to take this dark brown pencil liner from the beauty supply store, but you can use any dark brown liner. And I'm going to take this NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Praline, and I'm going to put that in the middle. Then I'm going to take this Kiko Milano gloss in the shade 03, I think. I'm going to put that on top. And then I'm going to top it off with the Fenty Heat Gloss Balm in the shade Lemon Lava. Then I'm going to spray my setting spray, and this is a one size setting spray. Okay, so this is the final look. Like I said, pretty simple New Year's Eve look. It's pretty fast to do for my girls that are simple and y'all don't do like a lot of makeup. The eyes are, yeah, if you recreate this look, then let me know, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.